This is a color that you're not supposed to see. I'm gonna put it right here for a second. Now, candy paints are extremely popular, but they're also very expensive and they can be complicated. There's a lot of steps to them. You gotta put your black base or ground coat down, then you gotta put your metallic layers down, then you gotta put your candy down, and then you're clear. So what I'm gonna show you today is a brand new line of paint that we just launched. We've got 6 colors up on the website right now, and they are candy metallic hybrids. They make spraying candy paint cheaper and faster. And if we can save you guys money and you guys can get an excellent result with our paints, then we're doing a good job. So what this is essentially allows you to put these paints directly over your black base coat or your black ground coat, and then you're gonna get an incredible metallic candy finish, and then you can put the clear coat right on top. So it eliminates an entire step out of the project. So the 6 that we have here is Liquid Ruby, Toxic Emerald, Sunfire Gold, Midnight Prism, which is a color shifting, it's incredible, Electric Sapphire, and Ember Rush. Now, of course, I'm gonna mix these up. We're gonna spray them all out for you so you can check them out. But we do have a little bit of a bonus. We slipped this in last second. We have 3 prototype colors that didn't make the cut. And Gabe and I are just so hung up on these because we love them so much, we wanna know what you guys think. So we've got 04094, 92, and 98. So we're gonna show you those as well. And then at the end of the video, please let us know what you think of them because there may be enough time for us to slip those in as well. Gabe, do you have a favorite out of this group here?
Probably that Electric Sapphire.
Okay, I know your all-time favorite is in the prototype group, so we're not gonna mention that right now. Personally, I really like the Midnight Prism. So we're gonna get to work. We've got a lot of stuff to spray out here. You ready to go?
I'm ready.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and I cannot wait to show you what these look like. Now, I was really excited to get this brand new line launched, not only because the colors look incredible, but we have so many people that contact us and want to do candy paint projects, but the material cost on those projects can go over budget and just get a little bit excessive. So if we can get you guys the candy paint experience while saving a ton of money, it's a win all the way around. So you know what to do. Take a good look at each one, leave a comment below and let us know which one is your favorite. And of course, take a look at the 3 prototypes. Let me know if you like one of them enough that you think it should get pushed onto the website as well. If you want to play with any of our paints, we have everything in peelable and permanent. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I had a ton of fun in this project. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you on the next one.